Welcome to the next part of mole concept. So today I'll be going through you guys on how to calculate moles using math. And I'm sure that you guys have seen this formula in black before, that your school has provided. So it's n number of moles equal to mass divided by molar mass, whereby molar mass means mass in gram in 1 mole of a substance. Yeah. So this substance can be a compound or an element by itself. And I strongly believe that staring at this formula by itself would not do you guys any good. Yeah. And because it was a case for me as well. So I'll go through with you guys some calculation. The math, there'll be quite a bit of math involved here. Yeah. And I believe by going through the calculation like that and doing this together, you guys will be able to understand and remember it better. Yeah. Okay, let me switch to black. Okay, so let's say number of mole is mass divided by molar mass. So mass is greater than 1 mole substance. So the molar mass. So what's the molar mass of carbon? So if you guys go to the periodic table, open here, you guys can see that carbon has 6 protons and its relative atomic mass is 12. So it means that in 1 mole of carbon atoms is actually 12 gram, 12.0 gram. So let's say now I ask, let's say I have 12 gram of carbon atoms. How many moles do I have? It's very obvious it's 1, right? So, but then how does the math look? So the math is like number of carbon, NC is equal to 12 gram divided by the relative atomic mass, this 12 here. So, you guys take the total mass 12 divided by 12. Okay, 1 more. Let's say now, how about what if I have 15 gram of carbon atoms? How many moles do I have? It's a similar working. NC equal to total mass of 15 gram divided by 12. And you guys should punch this into your calculator. Let me do so. So you guys get 1.25 mole. Yeah, so basically that all there is math to it. So you guys have the total mass. Let me switch to pen color. You guys have a total mass of a compound. And you guys try to find how many moles are there. You knowing that 1 mole is 12 grams of carbon. And the argument, the question can be flipped around as well. So let's say if I have, let me switch color. If I have 2.17 mole of carbon atoms, what's the mass? So we know that mass is, so we know 1 mole is 12. So how about 2.17 mole? 2.17 times 12, right? So let me key that into the calculator. You guys will get 6.04 gram. Yeah, as simple as it is. And this element here, C carbon, it can be applied to any other elements that you guys find in the periodic table. It can be hydrogen, fluorine, yeah. But how about now I say that if why am I using red? Let me switch back. How about if we have, let's say, 88 gram of carbon dioxide? How many moles do I have? So now let's calculate what's the molar mass of CO2. So for carbon is 12, then oxygen is 16. Okay, let me show you guys a periodic table. 16 oxygen right here. Zoom it in. So 16 for oxygen right here. So 12 plus 16 plus 16 is equal to 44. So molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram mole. So to calculate the total number of moles in 88 grams, you have to N carbon dioxide equal to 88 divided by 44. 2 more. And the argument can be flipped around as well. What if I have 1.21 mole of CO2? What's the mass? So the mass per mole is 44. So 1.21 start 44. Should be 53.24 gram. Wow, what the? Yeah, so that's all the math there is to this. Guess simply have to manipulate the molar mass and the total mass around. So you guys know 1 mole is 12 gram. Then how many moles are there in a certain total mass? And vice versa, you guys know 1 mole is 12. What's a mass in 2.17? Or it can be any other number. So let's say in this case not 2.17, let's say it's 3.1. You simply have to change this to 3.1 mole. Yeah, that's all really there is to it. So let's say this case I have 88 gram, but let's say I have 31 kg. Let's convert 31 kg is equal to 31 times 10 gram. And then this number here, you guys change to 31 times 10 power 3. Yeah, so this is all there is to calculating moles using maths. And I hope that by going through all this exercise, you guys have understood it better. Yeah, so I will ending this video right now. Yeah, thank you, and I hope this has helped you guys.